Today I'm going to turn Zucker from Animal Crossing into some cheesecake truffles. So, surprisingly, we are starting with Oreos, and I'm using the blonde yellow Oreos, vanilla Oreos, because Zucker is beige. And I'm just going to pulse those together in a food processor until they're nice and fully crumbled. Then I have some cream cheese, and I pop that into a bowl and then sprinkle the crumbs on top. Then I'm going to divide the mixture into 12 balls and chill them. And then once they've chilled, I'm going to roll them back into balls so that they are kind of like a more uniform, smoother shape, because now that they're cold, they're a lot easier to shape. And now in my little melting pot, this is so handy, oh my gosh, I have some white chocolate, and I'm going to dunk the balls into the white chocolate, make sure they're fully coated, give it a couple taps, and then place them onto a sheet lined with parchment paper. I was going to say parchment wrap. That is not a thing. And then while the chocolate is still wet, I'm going to stick a toothpick, like half a toothpick technically, into the sides, because that is going to be the pick that is stuck into Zucker's head. And if you didn't know, Zucker is actually meant to be takoyaki, which is like a little ball of dough that is filled with octopus. It's a Japanese treat. And you eat them with little toothpicks or skewers. So that's what that is. Now for his cheeks, I have some green sprinkles that I've broken up into like super tiny pieces. Then I'm going to get some melted dark chocolate and use that with a toothpick to make his eyes and the inside of his mouth. Snout? I don't know. And then for his lips, I have some pink candy melts, and I pop them into a piping bag fitted with a small round piping tip, and that's going to make sure that we get that nice round plump mouth. And for the sauce, the demi-glaze sauce that is on his head, we're just going to use chocolate. I'm adding some white candy melts to the dark chocolate that I use for his eyes so that it lightens a lot in color. My goodness, these are so good, you guys. I love these so much. I've already eaten 4. And do you know who also really likes cream cheese? Paddington! Oh, you got it all. Oh my goodness. That was a lot.